Okay, good day everyone. This is my ethical dilemmas in sports case analysis. And by the way, I'm Kenneth James B. Candidier. And before we proceed in my title, here is my objective. Preserve and enhance the image of boxing as a respected and honorable sport, free from the shadow of performance-enhancing drug controversies. And okay, so uh, this is my title, Inadequate Drug Testing in Boxing. It refers to a testing process that is insufficient, flawed, or not comprehensive enough to accurately assess the safety, efficacy, or potential risk associated with a pharmaceutical or recreational substance. Okay, so dito, ang ibig sabihin ay uh, hindi consistent ang flow ng pagda-drug testing sa mga athletes sa sport na boxing. So kaya merong nakakalusot na gumagamit ng mga binaba na substances, o yung mga pampa-enhance ng physical attribute ng isang player or athlete. At based on my research, merong mga napatunayang gumagamit ng mga drugs, at ito ay sina Oscar Valdez, Canelo Alvarez, and Johnny Jones Jr. Meron pang ibang mga player or mga boxer na napatunayang gumagamit, pero itong tatlo lang po yung mga na na research. Okay, so as a BSS student, meron po akong recommendations. Meron po akong 4 na recommendations, kung paano kung ano yung mga magiging ang pwedeng maging i-recommend sa ganitong controversy. So first in my list is enhanced testing protocols. Napaka-importante po nito. So dito kailangan ng more rigorous and comprehensive drug testing protocols para mapalawak pa yung pang-detect ng mga athlete na posibleng gumagamit ng mga binaba na substances. Okay. And next is the transparency, napaka-importante ng transparency, lalo na sa pag-testing process. Including dito yung publicly disclosing results, tapos yung mga procedures na nagfo-foster ng trust sa mga athletes and also sa mga fans. Next is the random testing. Dito naman ay para mapataas yung frequency ng random drug testing, para mabawasan yung mga likelihood ng mga athletes ba. Yun. And next is athlete support system. Dapat po talagang sinusuportahan po talaga yung ating mga players, para yung mga players natin na magkaroon sila ng courage, para magkaroon ng ng motivation to have a fair play, and para hindi sila masyadong gumamit ng mga illegal substances sa field ng boxing. Okay, and so next is conclusion. So here is my conclusion. In conclusion, addressing inadequate drug testing in boxing is imperative for the sport's credibility, athlete safety, and preservation of its core values. by investing in comprehensive anti-doping measures that support can foster public trust, protect the health of its athletes, and reinforce its commitment to ethical standards. A proactive stance against inadequate drug testing not only safeguards the present state of boxing but also contributes to its sustainable growth and positive image in the future. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.